welcome to Tuna's Kitchen. Today is my off. So, gagawa naman ako ng dishes today. So, ang gagawin ko is lasagna. Beef lasagna. But I'm gonna make my slow roasted tomato sauce. So, ito yung aking tomato. Yan. Ouch! Yan, I'm gonna show you all my tomato. Ito ang gagawin kong slow roasted tomato sauce. Fresh from my garden. I just harvest yesterday. So, ito na yung pang second harvest ko na sa aking tomato. Dami niya, di ba? At freshly and sweet. Okay. So, at first, we have to spray the pan with original canola oil blend with the parchment paper. Then I use 3 pounds of tomato, fresh tomato, and we have to cut into halves. Lay down the tomato like this. And then peel gonna mix with 1 clove of garlic. And crush it, and then chop into small pieces. Then put on top of the tomato. Now we're gonna put salt, and black pepper, and basil leaves. And sugar. We're gonna put sugar. I use 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And we're gonna use 1 cup of olive oil. Spread it to the pan or tomato. So now our roasted steak tomato is ready to put in the oven, 350 Fahrenheit for 2 hours.
Good.
Ayan. Our tomato is ready after 2 hours baking. So, i-cool down muna natin siya ng 15 minutes. Now, I'm gonna show you my roasted beef tomato. This is baked for 2 hours. And you can, the aroma of this tomato, this will smell good. Now we're gonna slice it into cubes. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of basil leaves, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Tapos, ibo-boil na natin siya for 30 minutes. Now, we're gonna put vegetable oil or canola oil. Now, we're gonna make a 1 pound of grind meat and 1 cloves of garlic and one small size of white onion. So we have to saute this one first. Ayan, medyo luto na siya. So, ilagay na natin tong carrots and the mushroom. And combine it. Mix it thoroughly. And cover for 10 minutes. Ayan, brown na ang ating meat. So, I'm gonna show you my tomato sauce. As you see it. Yan. This is my freshly baked tomato. Yan siya. Look at that. Oh, so delicious. Then, we're gonna mix together. Put some of it on our meat. Put some, then the rest ilagay natin doon sa ating pan. Konting parsley. Ayan. Fresh parsley. And let's cover it for a few minutes. Yan, enough na natin ang ating meat. Luto na siya. Now, I'm gonna make my own additional sauce for my special lasagna. 2 cups of fresh milk. And then 1/2 cup of flour. And then we have to mix it slowly with a medium heat. Ayan. Look at my sauce. Sticky na siya. Yeah, this is 2 cups of milk with 1/2 cup of flour. A friend of mine teach me how to do this kind of recipe. So this is the additional ingredients for my lasagna. Gonna combine now the ricotta cheese. And 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Siya, 2 cups yan. At dagdagan ko ng 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And then it's gonna mix it. Ayan. So ito ang ating pan na gagamitin. And then we're gonna spray with the cooking oil. At ilagay natin yung remaining sauce. Ayan, that's how it looks like. Let's arrange it. Ayan ang ating meat. So, ilagay natin itong ating white sauce. Ilagay na natin ang meat. Habang ginagawa natin to, ni-preheat ko na yung oven ng 375 Fahrenheit. Tapos ilagay natin yung ating ricotta cheese with mozzarella and so I put now the ricotta cheese with mixed with the parmesan and with mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Now we're gonna add more meat. Oh, this is just good. And then this is the last, the top. This is a fresh milk. Together, 2 cups of, 2 cups of fresh milk with 1/2 cup of flour, and you have to boil until it will be sticky. Next, is you're gonna put this one, the meat. Okay, we're gonna finish it with mozzarella. Oh, look how pretty this one. Okay. So now it's ready to put in the oven. I preheat already the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Let's open it. And let's put it on the middle one. And let's cook this one for 45 minutes. Now my lasagna is done, so we're gonna try it. So I cook it for 45 minutes. Most of my days on my off, I stay all the time, whole day sometimes in the kitchen. This is my hobby. Discover new dishes and experiment food. Then every time I travel different countries, I'm gonna ask some chef how they make it, how they can recommend it, how to do it. And I'm thankful they give me some tips and ideas. Cooking is my comfort zone. I feel like naara ko sa bayog. In my hometown, we grow up with a lot of variety of vegetable. So all the vegetables that we eat are organic. This is from our backyard. Our father loves to plant and cook special food for us. And we grow up and observe how to prepare food, how to plant, to harvest, and cooking. Pero mas magaling ang tatay namin magluto. We learn it from him.